Moro.
Yamora.
Moro.
We would like to order a Slomin shield.
A Slomin shield.
Slomin shield.
Yes.
You mean that cutting-edge technology security system which you can control with your medieval smartphone?
And they give it to you for free and even install it for free?
That's it.
Nah, I can't make that. But he can tell you how to get it.
Easy. Call 1-800-ALARM-ME.
1-800-ALARM-ME. Hey, Slomins. I'd like to order my free alarm system.
The Slomin Shield is also fully expandable, so you can customize to fit your needs. And do cool stuff like this.
A parcel for Lord Slomin.
Huh, the mailman.
Must be my wireless crossbow.
I'll unlock the door.
Oh.
Because there is safe, and there is Slomin safe.
Would you like to buy these stones?
No thanks, we're not interested.